At Berti, innovation is tradition. In 1988, the company moved towards the production of inlaid pattern floors and were the first in the world to adopt the laser cutting technique. From private villas to first-class hotels, each project is studied in close synergy with the technical office. Once the customer's needs have been outlined and their specific requirements have been collected, the design tour de force begins to define all the essential details: the choice of materials, the available wood species, their combinations, and the finishes. Every detail is the result of the sum of many considerations. First created on the computer, the 2D drawings are then processed by advanced computer numeric control, high-precision laser machines. Technology and craftsmanship made in Italy distinguish Berti's manufacturing process. Competence, experience, and professionalism are concrete elements which allows Berti to achieve beautiful results that reflect the demands and desires of the customer. Emotions evoke the creation of new designs and add comfort and well-being to environments and everyday life. Elegance, beauty, respect for the environment and for those who live in it. Choose Berti. Choose Italian excellence. Berti. Express your style.